Okay children, let's do the exercise. Before doing exercise, some of them are looking very lazy. Please sit straight children and enjoy the class children. Are you getting bored? Isn't it? Are you getting bored children? Or you are feeling very good? Or feeling lazy? Okay, let's play jump, stand and sit. Okay, jump, 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 children jump. Stand, 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 children stand. Jump, stand, jump, 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 stand. Stand, sit, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, jump, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit down. Okay, cheer up, very good. Okay, let's do the next exercise, which is going to be very interesting. Please look it carefully children. Okay, let's read the heading first. Read the following Y ending words aloud. We want to first read out the Y ending word. Listen, here the set of word was given, isn't it? Here the set of word was given and every word end with the word Y. Okay, every word ending with Y. We want to loudly pronounce each and every word. If the word ends with I sound, when we are pronouncing, when you are telling loudly each and every word, if you get I sound, write the word in the blue box. Okay, if you get I sound from these word, you are going to write it on the blue box. Okay, at same time, if the word end with A sound, if the word end with A sound, then you are going to write it on the yellow box. Then you are going to write it on the yellow box. Okay, here there is a 3 condition. One is to tell the loudly each and every word. This is the first condition. Want to tell loudly of each and every word. And the second condition, if the word has I ending sound, then you want to write it on the blue. Okay, if your the word having a as an ending sound, you are going to write it on the yellow box. Okay, this is a 3 condition. Okay, let's read each and every word loudly, then we will write it on that particular boxes. Okay children, you understand? Okay, let's go into these exercise. This is M A Y, may, may. You are getting a A sound. Very good. I have just put an A, then only it will be easy to take and write it here. This is stray, stray. Yes, what is the sound of yes? Stray, stray, stray. What is the sound you are getting? Stray. Yes, you are getting a sound at the end of the word. I am just putting the A. And this is a clay, clay, clay. What is the sound you are getting? This is a clay, clay, clay. Yes, A sound you are getting. And this is L-A-Y, lay, lay, lay. We are getting the A sound at the end of the word. Okay, next one, W-I-N. How you are going to break? I told you no, if you have more than 3 words, you want to break the word and then you want to pronounce it. How you are going to break this? W-I-N, win, windy, windy, windy. What is the sound of I? Sound of A is A. What is the sound of I? E, isn't it? Don't forget that. Okay, what is the sound of I? E. What is this? Windy, windy. You are getting I sound? Yes. Shall I put I here? Very good. Okay, next one. S W A Y, sway, sway, sway. What is the sound of I? E. Okay, you are getting E sound from the word sway. Yes, you are getting a I sound from the word sway. And this is pray, not a pry, it's a pray, pray, pray. Yes, you are getting a I sound. Very nice. Good. This is S-H-Y. Shy. 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 What is this? You are getting I sound. Very good. Okay, let's do the next one. F-R-Y. Fry. 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 What are you sounding getting? Yes, I sound. Okay, let's see what is the sound. Next one. S-P-Y. Spy. Spy. What is the sound you are getting at the end of the word? Spy. Spy. E sound. Very good. I. This is a jelly. 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 If you have more than 3 words, you want to break the word, isn't it? I'm going to break like this. Jelly. Jelly. What is this? What your sound you are getting? Jelly. You are getting a sound or I sound? I sound. Very nice. Okay. This is jolly. 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 What is the sound you are getting? Yes, I sound. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is fly. F-L-Y. Fly. I already we have seen it. What is the sound of L-Y? Lie. Okay, we already done the exercise using the L-Y. So don't forget that sound. Fly. Fly. What is the sound you are getting? Yes, you are getting the I sound. Okay, this is city. 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 E sound. You are not getting A sound. City. This is pray. A sound. Pray. Pray. A sound. This is cry. Cry. What are you getting? You are getting both A and I sound, but you want to be look it very carefully, listen it carefully. Cry. Cry. At the end word I. And this is stay. Stay. A sound. This is day. A sound. Sky. I sound. Hey. This is a hey. H-A-Y. Hey. A sound. Okay. Now we have find it out the A sound word and I sound word. Now we are going to write it on its corresponding columns. Okay. Let's do this one. Okay, now we are going to write it on their particular column. Okay, if you get I sound, you want to write it on the blue box. Okay, which one you are getting? I have just written the I. Okay, you are going to find it out which one. This is a windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Okay, and the second one, sway. Sway. Not sway, it's sway. Sway. It's not a sway, it's a sway. You're getting A sound, isn't it? Let's put it A. This is a pry. Pry. P-R-Y. Pry. This is shy. S-H-Y. Shy. And this is fry. F-R-Y. Fry. And this is spy. Spy. Yes. P-Y. Spy. And this is jelly. Jelly. J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. And this is jolly. J-O-L-L-Y. Jolly. And the last one is sky. Sky or cry. There are a lot of I words, but I am going to select the 8 words and I am writing this. Okay. Next is A sound. First one is may. M A Y, may. And the second one is stray. S T R A Y, stray. Okay. And third one is clay. C L A Y, clay. And the next one is lay. L A Y, lay. Okay. And the next one, what is it? Sway. S W A Y, sway. And this is pray. P R A Y, pray. Okay. And the next one is day. D A Y, day. And the last one is hay. H A Y, hay. Okay. So these are the word which having a I sound at the end of the word, and these are the word which having the A sound at the end of the word. Okay children, now you understand. Okay, well done children. Let's move to the next exercise.